Hello friend, it's nice of you to come around again. In this lesson, we shall be learning how to solve typical exam questions on inequalities. For our first example, solve the inequality y equal to 1 whole number 2 over 3 less than or equal to 1 whole number 1 over 2y plus 3 over 4. Now the first thing we are going to do here is to convert the mixed fractions to improper fractions. So the inequality becomes y minus 5 over 3 less than or equal to 3 over 2y plus 3 over 4. Now, the next step is to eliminate the fractions, and we do that by multiplying each term in the inequality by the LCM of the denominators. In this case, the LCM of 3, 2, and 4 is 12. So 12 times y gives us 12y minus 12 times 5 over 3, which is 20, less than or equal to 12 times 3 over 2y, which is 18y, plus 12 times 3 over 4, which is 9. Now we collect like terms. So we now have 12y minus 18y less than or equal to 9 plus 20. Solving for that, we have minus 6y less than or equal to 29. Finally, we divide both sides by minus 6, and because of that, we reverse the direction of the inequality. So we now have y greater than or equal to minus 29 over 6, which finally resolves to y greater than or equal to minus 4 whole number 5 over 6. Let's take another example. For our second example, we are to solve x over 2 plus x greater than 1 over 3 and represent the answer on a number line. Now we begin by cross multiplication, and this becomes 3x greater than 2 plus x. Collecting like terms, we have 3x minus x greater than 2, and this becomes 2x greater than 2. And when we divide both sides by 2, we have x greater than 1. So we draw out our number line for x, we locate 1, and then since x is greater than 1, we draw a plain circle and our arrow faces the right. Now for our last example, represent minus 3 greater than x greater than or equal to 5 on a number line. Now we begin by breaking this into 2. So minus 3 greater than x is the same thing as x less than minus 3. So from that single inequality, we have two inequalities, x less than minus 3 and x greater than or equal to 5. So again, we draw out our number line for x, we locate minus 3, and we also locate 5. Now x is less than minus 3, so we draw a plain dot at minus 3 and the arrow faces the left. X greater than or equal to 5, we draw a shaded circle on 5 and the arrow faces the right. I hope you now understand how to solve inequalities and represent them on number lines. Join me in another lesson as we take more examples.